In this video, we will learn how to install ELS in LSPDFR. In GTA 5, in order to install ELS for LSPDFR, all you need to do is firstly open up the browser of your choice. Then from the search panel, type in ELS LSPDFR, then hit enter. After that, head into the LCPDFR website. So ELS is essentially a lighting system that enhances your vision of lights. So from this website, you can just download the file by clicking on this button. After that, agree to the terms and click on download. Now from here, download the latest version. And your file should start downloading. After the file downloads, you can extract them in here in a separate folder. In order for ELS to work, you will also need script to be installed on your game, so you can just download it from this website. After that is done, you can head inside the ELS folder, then installation. Now you need to find the installation directory of your GTA 5 game. In order to do that, open up the launcher of your choice. Then from here, click on the three dots beside the game, head to manage, then open install location. So now all you need to do is go into this GTA 5 folder, copy everything from here and paste them in this location. And now you can install any ELS file just by heading into this ELS folder, by default, and pasting them in here. You can also check out all the keybinds of ELS by heading into the els.ini file. In here you will find every keybind that is available. So this is how you can easily set up the ELS mod for your LSPDFR game mode in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.